Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home decor. Today, we're diving into the best wooden blinds for your windows, the Lumino 2-inch cordless room darkening faux wood blinds. If you're looking to upgrade your space with a stylish and functional window treatment, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's explore why these blinds are perfect for any home. The Lumino 2-inch cordless faux wood blinds come in a sleek white color, measuring 33.75 inches wide and 64 inches long. What makes these blinds stand out is their room darkening feature. Whether you need to block out light for a good night's sleep or create a cozy atmosphere, these blinds deliver the privacy and light control you need, all while looking fantastic. One of the standout features of these blinds is their cordless design. This isn't just for aesthetic appeal, it's a huge safety feature, especially for homes with young children or pets. No dangling cords means a safer environment, and they're incredibly easy to operate. You can effortlessly raise or lower the blinds by simply pushing or pulling from the bottom rail. Want to adjust the tilt for more light or more privacy? Just twist the tilt control and you're good to go. These blinds are also designed with smooth operation in mind. The slats nest tightly together to ensure better closure, and the unique slat design allows for quiet adjustments. When it comes to installation, you won't be left guessing. The Lumino team custom cuts the blinds to fit your window perfectly. They're precision cut to be 1/2 inch narrower than the width you order, providing a snug fit for an inside mount. If you're worried about fitting your windows, you can rest easy. These blinds are available in over 1,000 custom sizes, so whether your windows are standard or a bit more unique, Lumino has you covered. The blinds are cut right here in the USA, ensuring quality and precision every time. Installation is a breeze as well. The blinds come with an integrated valance that hides all the hardware, giving your window a clean, finished look. And the best part? They are super lightweight, making the installation process even simpler. When it comes to durability, these blinds are built to last. The faux wood slats are water and moisture resistant, meaning they'll stand up to humidity in places like kitchens or bathrooms. They're also UV protected, helping to prevent fading over time, which is essential for maintaining the look of your blinds as they're exposed to sunlight. Lastly, these blinds are low maintenance. You can easily clean them with a dry or slightly damp cloth, making them a convenient choice for any home. No complicated care routines required. So, if you're looking for a quality, stylish, and safe option for your windows, the Lumino 2-inch cordless room darkening faux wood blinds are an excellent choice. They combine functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal in one package. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews like this one. Happy decorating!